Hey traders, it's Steve from the Stock Index Trading Room, and let me get my screen up. And in the next few weeks, I'm going to start a series of teachings on our specific entries. We call this breakout rockets. This is the newest advancement in the Stock Index Trading Room, and what we're doing, we're going to show you a specific entry within the families of breakout rockets, and this is called Batman on a Rocket. I'm going to make this legal. Please read this. And I'm going to go through this real quick. You can pause this instead if you'd like. Price follows order flow. So we're going to teach you how we use advanced order flow readings to get in front of price movement. And then smart money likes to trap unsuspecting traders, squeeze them out of the market. We're going to find trapped traders on the wrong side of order flow. So we're using a combination of order flow and trader traps to enter the market. And I'll go over some specifics here. I'm doing this Wednesday morning, the 9th of August. This is Tuesday's chart. This is Tuesday afternoon. And I'm going to point to this because it teaches the principle so well. And then we'll fast forward. Here we have a situation. Batmans are green, red, green, side by side bars. Okay. Trap trader oscillator is reading order flow. So we have a bit more buying pressure here than here, while price is equal. Well, that's an advantage. You would think that a larger read would be more impactful, but it's not. This is enough. We have, it's type 1 divergence. It's 3 rising dots 3D pattern that we talk about. So anyway, but the pattern we're looking at is we have green, red, green. They're real easy to spot. And we look at trap trader oscillator and we see the right side has more buying pressure than the left side. Well, we like that. And then for the magic, we look and we see this. We see trap trader oscillator breaking through order flow resistance. Okay. So that's the Batman and the way it goes. And here we have another one. See, we look at this whole coiling pattern. Okay. Price is in a state of flux, going up, going down, going up, going down, going up, going down. We have our breakout rocket right here. Okay. We don't have any entry in all of this. Okay. This is not an entry. No rocket, no lead out. But here we have ABCD up. This big red delta bar says the selling is 3 times the buying ratio in this bar, 3 to 1 or greater in this bar. Well, that in and of itself is not very significant, but when you trap that against order flow, you know, these are the results we get. So for our international friends, they look like this. They look the same as they do in the room. ABCD up, price is going sideways, order flow's going up. We get a lead out. So that would have been an entry on that bar. We can look here. No type 1 divergence. We're not interested in this with this signal. Here, this is kind of goofy with a green bar up here. You could justify, if I'm trying to trick you, I would justify and say, oh, look at that. But that's not our style. Here, I think it's very obvious. You can see huge type 1 divergence. All of these selling here against order flow is going to get trapped. And of course it does, all the way up. And then here we get one going the other way, red, green, red, type 1 divergence, rocket on the right side. We get a pivot retag to confirm that. And you can see that would have been the side of the market to be on. So do we get these at turns? We do. We absolutely do. We also get this, we call this a pivot retag. This is a confirmation that this is a valid turn. This is a pivot retag. This is a confirmation that that's a valid turn. So people that like super high probabilities love this setup. One of our founding members found this for us years and years ago, a retag into a Batman, and we've been trading it for 7 years, almost 7 years now. So that's Batman on a rocket. And again, this was Tuesday, Wednesday morning early, Stock Index Trading Room. If you have questions, shoot us an email if you want to come and join us and start grabbing these, learning this and grab it. Go to our website, and there's a nice discount code that we're still going to honor, but we put it in effect for our webinars, and we're still going to honor that. If you, it's like 6 or 7 minutes. Look through that, and if this looks like something that can help you reach your trading goals, we would love to have you come trade with us. So on behalf of World Cup trading champion Rob Mitchell, all of the world-class members of the Stock Index Trading Room, this is Steve saying, whatever you do, I hope you can reach your trading goals.